My name is Fadma. I'm a software engineer, and today I'm going to present to you my application called Patient Tracker. And before I do that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. As a quadrilingual medical interpreter and nursing assistant, I've spent years listening to patients, understanding their needs within complex care systems, and seeing firsthand the challenges they face. This is particularly true for physical therapy patients managing their home care, a challenge I've already addressed by building this app to help them continue their treatments and keep track of their progress. So, for this application, the tech stack I used for the client side is EasyJS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and CSS. And for the server side, I used Node.js, Express, MongoDB, and Passport. So let's go ahead and check out my patient tracker. So this is the home page. Let's go ahead and get started. As you can see right now, we are logged in as the physical therapist. Our therapist can see his patients. Right now he has 3 patients assigned. And they can see the details of their active plan. They can delete it and create a new one, and they can send a message to their patient. Let's go ahead and go back to the patients. They can assign themselves new patients as well. We have one more patient here. Let's go ahead and assign it to them. As you can see now, they have 4 patients. Go back to the dashboard. And here is their exercise library where they can see all the exercises they created. And they can create new plans, new exercises if they want to. And this is going to take us to the messaging again. And here is their profile where they can update their info and change their passwords. So let's go ahead and log in as the patient so we can see what the patient can see on their end. This is the dashboard for the patients. They can see the name of their provider right here. Their email, send them a message if they need to, just like the provider can DM them. And here they have one exercise plan. Their active plan has 1 exercise right now, and they can view the details of the exercise and state the level of their pain while doing this exercise and how hard was it. And if it's too easy, they can say that, the duration they have done it, and then mark it as complete, and it will go to the progress history. And this is where I allow our provider to see if they need to update the plan for their patients. If it's too hard, make it a little bit easier, or if it's too easy, make it a little bit challenging for the patient. And here is just the history of the previous exercises our patient has done in the past. And also this feature here allows them to create reminders for when it's time for them to do their exercise, and we can delete it when it's done. And when it's time for their exercise, a notification banner will show up here telling them it's time for you to do your exercise. And let me show you a little bit of code. This is our user schema, which has our username, their email, password, the role, checking if it's the therapist or patient, their profile, first name, last name. And here we have our reminder code where we have the get reminders. This is for creating the reminders and deleting the reminders. If you want to see more details about the application, this is my GitHub. It has the hosted code for Patient Tracker. Feel free to check it out. And thank you so much again for watching this video.